How to build a custom feed on Bluesky. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily create or build any kind of custom feed on your Bluesky account. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and hit the subscribe button. Let's begin. So for this you will have to search for Sky feed. And once you do that, you will find this link right here, skyfeed.app. Just click on it, or you can directly search for this URL. Here it will ask you to log into your Bluesky account, so I'm just going to do that by entering my login credentials. And now once you have entered your email or your username, you're going to have to create an app password by clicking right here. So it will ask you to create an app password on your Bluesky. So I'm just going to do that. You can name your app as Sky Feed and then click on next, and you will get your app password right here. So here I have pasted the password that my Bluesky created. So after this, you will get to the Sky Feed's homepage. Here on the left side of your screen, you will see your feed builder. Firstly, you will see your own profile, and now what you are going to do is go ahead and click on feed builder. So what this will do is you will have to create your first feed. You can name your feed anything, or you can even choose from the pre-built feeds. So here on my feed name, I'm just going to write my own name like this. And then from here, what you are going to do is go ahead and click on input and select this as a single user. So if you just want to view your own feed, you can select this single user. And if you select yourself, your profile will be automatically pasted here. So if you want to use lists, you can do that as well, and it will create all of the lists. On your feed name, you can also write anything. The default is hello world. And if you want to find something else, you can remove them like items, labels, image counts, and anything like that. You can also choose the reply, is a post not reply, has labels, has no labels, and is in health thread, and all of these options. So you can play around and build your feed from here. That's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe button below. I will see you guys on the next one.